Cash App has become a user-friendly and popular platform for buying, storing, and sending Bitcoin. To get started, open the Cash App on your mobile device and tap on the Investing tab, which is represented by a rising curve icon. From there, select Bitcoin and tap the Buy button. You can either select a preset amount or enter a custom value by tapping the three dots. Once you've chosen the amount, confirm your purchase by tapping Buy again and verify the transaction using your PIN or Touch ID. The Bitcoin will then be added to your Cash App's Bitcoin wallet. To find your Bitcoin wallet address on Cash App, go to the Bitcoin tab, tap on the Wallet section, and your unique Bitcoin address will be displayed. This address is where others can send Bitcoin to you. If you want to send Bitcoin from Cash App to an external wallet like blockchain, you can easily do so. After selecting Bitcoin and tapping on the Send option, enter the recipient's wallet address and confirm the transfer. The transaction will be processed through the Bitcoin network and fees may apply depending on network congestion. Typically, the transfer may take anywhere from 30 minutes to several hours to complete. Cash App handles everything from wallet management to transaction processing, making it a convenient platform for both beginners and seasoned crypto users.